I'm going to show you how to create group information that you can send out to your faculty. So you can see Lake Travis faculty, you can click on that and send a message to your entire faculty. Notice by default it goes to updates. You can type in what you want here, you can record a message, attach files. Actually, Lori Risters is going to show you how to do daily announcements in another video. But let me show you what I think one of the more powerful things that you can do so people can see your face every day. If you go to your group, I'm going to go to my Schoology ambassadors and use them as a demo. I'm going to create a message here for all your hard work this week. I'm going to actually create a video message for them. I'm going to click on audio and video. Now you can see my face. I'm going to start recording. Hey teachers, thanks for all the hard work that you've done this week. I know that all of your colleagues and your principals and everyone else is very thankful for all the work that you've done. So keep it up. You can do this, and you're doing great work for our kids and our parents in this community. Thank you again. Have a great week. So you'll notice that it's uploading right here. And then I'm going to say, I can preview it if I want, but I'm going to say insert recording. Notice it's posting it down here. And then I'm going to hit post. And so everyone in my Schoology ambassador group, and just the people in my group, the members that belong to that group, are going to get this message. So this is a great way for you to send information to your faculty very easily and quickly. And so there it is. And now faculty can go and click on that message, and then they should be able to view it. It's opening up, maybe. Here we go. There it is. Hey teachers, thanks for all the hard work that you've done this week. I know that all of your colleagues and your principals and everyone else is very thankful for all the work that you've done. So there you go. That's how you can create a quick little video and send to your faculty. Thanks.